Ia, talofa lava Samoa. Ia o to ona nei ona ti I lava tui nei sini au se talia. Ia o leo mato mafutai. Ia manisi o whanau. Ia po nisi o mai tai ua lawi lo peon tau silfiai. Le tua whawhine. Ia po lea whine fo I Lindsay Tui. Ia whaima representative o le tato Whetu Samoa. Ia o leo mato mafutai. Ia mo na uso ia Jacinta. Ia pena foi ia le lona uso like titi. Ia Dawn. Welcome everyone to the studio, Play on Studio. Ia o lea whatatanoa. Ia about their journey as sisters. Or should we call it the Tuis?
The Tuis.
The Tuis.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, o whea ia loto nui Samoa, I will ask the eldest.
Put her on the spot.
Put her on the spot. Yeah, o whea tō lalawhanga I Samoa, whamun mole Sinta.
Where's my family from? In Samoa. Whalalakai. And I can't remember the second one.
Okay, Lindsay, you can answer the second one.
We are from Vaiusu and also Whaleula.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
That's the one. Well done. Now, Dawn, we're going to start with you first with our interview today. How old are you?
I'm 16, turning 17.
Now, I heard that you're already training with the NRLW.
Yeah.
Okay, which club?
West Tigers.
How does it feel to involve with the older girls? Pretty much older girls.
Yeah. It's good. It's a good experience. Like, I've enjoyed my time there. Like, it's a lot. It's different to playing with my age in a good way. Yeah, I'm getting used to getting smashed at training already. Yeah, it's been good.
Now, Sinta, I know that you're the eldest of you sisters over here today. What was your journey? Where were you born, and how did you? Because I know you used to play netball.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah,
Same
that's
as
true.
all of yous.
Yeah.
So, what made you change from netball to rugby league?
I had been playing netball for about 6 years. And I just lost the passion for netball, and I seen that the rugby league game was growing for girls and women. So I thought I'd try something new, take the chance. And then when I started playing, I loved it and didn't stop. So now I'm here.
And which club are you playing for at the moment?
Penrith Panthers, Harvey Norman. And they're making an NRLW for next year, so that's my goal.
Nice. Congratulations, Sinta. Now, we're going to move on to Lindsay. I know that we had a chat before, but off-season. You're already in your off-season right now with the sisters. I heard that you guys been training during the off-season. A lot of sacrifices. Lindsay.
Yeah.
So what was how were the trainings, and who's the boss on the training field? Whether it's the brother or the older sister right next to you?
Most of the times it's Jacinta running the sessions. She has to sometimes force me out of the house to come train with her because I'm very lazy. But yeah, it's been good off seasons. Always the hardest part to try and stay motivated, I guess. But yeah, I think it's been good having sisters that will help motivate you to come train with them.
Yeah.
So at home, what is it like on the dinner table or lunch table when you guys, having a feed?
I just remember when we used to go to Iron Up training, the wife of the coach was saying, like, he feels bad for mum because of the food bill that she'd have, because as athletes and then 5 children as athletes, like, that's hard because you got to fuel your body every day for training, and then there's 5 of us, so it's a lot. Like, we eat a lot.
So, should I say big shout out to Lina Tui? So, she is the mother of the house and she is the queen, I think, as well. Now, mentioning your mum, what about your dad?
Yeah.
Why didn't you say it's dad as well?
Oh, Dad is number one coach. He takes out a lot. He sacrifices a lot of time for us to go out to the park and do extras, whether it's kicking, catching, passing.
Shout out to the uso, Sapani Tui. Yeah, mano lavale onosai. Mano le tausi whanau. Yeah, mano with a lot of sacrifices that we knew that you've been through, bringing up these superstars in front of me today. Now, Dawn, I know your other sister is already representing Samoa.
Yeah.
Now, you're only 16, right?
Yeah.
Are you thinking of the green and gold or the blue jersey?
No, I'm not sure. No, I'd always want to, play for Samoa, but Dad's mentioned it to me. If I ever got the opportunity to play for this country, I should take it, and I'd love to. So.
Very good answer. You're very young, but you sound very mature on the microphone right there, Dawn. What about you, Cinta?
Yes.
Is there? I'm sure there is already a motivation for you as well to achieve what Lindsay has achieved.
Yeah. Yeah, I would love to receive the opportunity to play for either, but Samoa I would lean more towards. Yeah.
Now, Lindsay, I know your brother. I said this before as well. Your brother has helped a lot, and we want to give out the shout out to the, David. What has he done? I know Cinta and David have a PT qualification already. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that helped a lot.
Yes.
To push you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what has David done as a brother to you and your career as well, and all of you answer this question after.
Yeah.
He set a pretty good example of what hard work and like motivation looks like. I think he's had a lot of setbacks with injuries, and every single time he's come back even stronger and even better. So that's pushed me as well. With the extras as well, he's helped me with my stepping game and my passing on the run. Yeah. He's helped a lot with all of that stuff.
What about you, Cinta?
My brother has very high standards and we're very competitive with each other. So that helps a lot because when we're doing our extras, he feeds off that energy and then I have high standards. And then if I make a mistake, I just try and do better and he pushes us to do better. So that's how he motivated me as well. So.
Dawn?
I think he's helped me a lot more because we're the same position. So everything that he's learnt, he's passed it on to me. But yeah, a bit of brotherly love in there. If I'm doing something wrong, he'll give it to me. So
He'll bully you.
yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Now, I heard that you play just like him as well.
Better.
That's what I heard.
Yeah.
I like your attitude, Dawn. I like it. Now, faith-wise, I know that you all go to church. Can you, one of you, I'll ask you, Cinta. All right. So, faith-wise, I know you're serving at church as well. Do you want to share with us of your journey in your faith side of your journey?
We've grown up as Christians. I'm very grateful to Mum and Dad for bringing us up in that way. Our faith is everything to us and it's our foundation. So when we're doing anything, all we aim to do is glorify God's name in everything that we do. So we're very blessed to have this gift and talent of playing rugby league, and even through rugby league we can glorify God's name.
Amen. What about you, Lindsay?
Um,
Is there anything that you do, like showing your faith, like for example, pre-game, like prepping for your game? I know I've seen a lot of players, they do the crossing or something like that, pray before the game.
yes, we, before a game, I like to pray, just to ask God for protection over, like my body whilst I'm playing, pray for no injuries and pray for a safe game on the field. And also some people do like they strap their wrists with tape and put a cross on it or words that have meaning to them to help them like when they're like struggling like during a game when it's hard to breathe. They just
When the lungs are giving up, huh?
Take a look at their wrist and see the words that give them motivation.
What about you, Dawn?
Yeah, I'd say I'm the same as Lindsay. I try to pray before a game, especially, you want to stay injury free. Thank him for what he's already done throughout the week. With training in that, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Now you mentioned the wrist. What do you write on your wristband?
I usually have a cross in the middle on the front, and then I will have back yourself or G to G, which means glory to God, or our last name on my wrist just to remind me who I'm playing for. And yeah.
And you, Cinta?
Yeah, I was going to say the same. A cross and then our last name, Tui. So I remember who I'm representing and yeah.
And Dawn, what are you going to write? What have you been writing on your wristband?
I don't really strap my wrist. Yeah.
Straight up the cuts, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna move to the culture-wise for Samoa. Okay, can you be honest with me, everyone?
No.
How's Samoa going? You understand, eh?
We understand, but don't speak very well. I think also because David laughs at me when I speak.
Now, Mum and Dad. Cinta, you said Dad is the coach.
Yeah.
Now, Mum is the motivator?
And nutritionist.
All right. So, we met you, I think when Lindsay was only 7 or 8, because you're the same age as Nate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we've been around 12 years. And there's a saying that's going around in our household. Let's go to the Tuis.
Yeah, we do. My God.
The Tuis. Now, as sisters, is there any talks between yous, like as a motivation for all of yous to go and play together? Because you guys are still young, and you Dawn is now training with the NRLW.
Yeah.
Is there a motivation for yous to represent Samoa or Australia together, or even in one club?
Yes. I've been speaking to Lindsay and Dawn saying how cool it would be to play all together.
I can read your minds, huh?
Yeah.
That would be so good.
Yeah.
That's a talk that we've had as well, me and Nate.
Yeah.
Like, imagine if you all in one team. Ooh,
That'd
that would be so powerful,
cool.
huh?
Yeah.
That would be so good. What's your position, Cinta?
Wing or center.
So you guys gonna compete?
Yeah. So yeah, we could play on the same side or opposite sides.
Nice.
I think Dawn would love to play against us though.
Yeah.
And give it to them, eh, Dawn?
Yeah.
She just wants to whack us.
Yeah.
Now on your training, I know you, Cinta, will be pretty much the best to run the training sessions. Who's the fittest?
She is also the fittest.
Seriously?
Yes.
Not you, Dawn?
Nah.
She's really good in game fitness though.
Yeah.
Like
So match fitness?
yeah, match fitness she's really
But training fitness is the BT, huh?
Yep. It has to be me.
What about Lindsay? What's your
Lindsay is
favorite? What's your
faster than me.
favorite training, Lindsay? Like fitness test or or some programs that you love? Like you turn up to training on the training field, and then your trainer will say, "Okay, today we're gonna do ball skills or running." What's your favorite?
I think ball skills, because it's something that I'm still working on. So I always enjoy doing ball skills. I think something I don't enjoy doing is fitness
Of course,
and
any
the
islanders.
conditioning side. Yeah, but it's part of the game. So
What about you, Cinta?
I enjoy con games because that's like fitness and skills put together.
Put together.
Yeah.
Is that the like contact as well, or just touching it?
Nah, just touch. But also I like doing contact as well because I need to work on contact and then
Tackling?
under fatigue as well. Like
Awesome.
under fatigue. Yeah.
Dawn, what's your favorite?
I like the tackling drills. That's my favorite. Or wrestling.
Now I know no one's gonna run straight. Into that. Okay, now moving on. How's the relationship with David as a brother at home?
Yeah, it's good.
He's the eldest.
Yeah,
and
he's the
only boy.
eldest.
Is he
Yeah.
the spoiled one?
No.
No.
What were you gonna say? Yes.
I would say yes.
I would say yes.
Really? Oh, actually, like, Mum does sometimes like treat him like a baby. Sometimes,
Yeah.
like Mum will sometimes not have cooked dinner, and then she'll be like, "Oh, David's coming home. I need to cook dinner."
Yeah.
Malo Lina. What do you reckon, Dawn?
Yeah, I think he.
You're the youngest.
Yeah.
You're the youngest, yeah?
Yeah.
So you should be the spoiled one.
She does ask
She-
us for money.
Yeah, I
She
think
and
I'm
stuff
spoiled
a
by
lot.
my siblings, not my parents.
Yeah.
We haven't mentioned your other sister as well, Annie.
Yes.
I've seen her playing on our New Year's.
Yeah.
I can tell you right now, and I already said this to Lena and Sap.
Yeah.
She's pretty good.
Yeah.
She's really talented.
Yeah.
How come she's not playing any sports?
She's just
In her own world, she
Relaxed.
needs
Yeah.
a little bit of a push to get her to do something.
yeah, that's
so
true.
But she can play.
Yeah.
I can honestly say that she
Yeah.
can play. Now, the journey of 2026, big year for you, Lindsay. As we all know, representative, you have to perform before you get selected again. Is that something that you have in your mind right now?
Yeah. That's definitely a goal of mine to make the Samoan team again. I really would love to be a part of the team that plays in the World Cup. So I think if I work hard for it this year, then it's definitely a possibility for me to be in that team again.
There's no ifs and no buts. You just do it.
Yeah.
Cinta, what's the motivation for your journey this year as well?
I just want to have a really good season at Panthers for Harvey Norman. Obviously, they're making NRLW next year, so just make a really good impression to be at least like to start in that NRLW team as well.
And Dawn,
Um,
what's the call for 2026 for you? 16-year-old, already training with NRLW.
just stay consistent. Yeah, I just want to make representative teams at the end of this season again. Yeah, just stay consistent throughout club season and reps, hopefully.
Is there a state of origin for under 16s?
No.
No,
Not yet.
I think it only
Not yet.
starts 18s, eh?
Yeah, 18.
18's up. Oh, wow. Thank you very much for coming in today, ladies. Or should I say daughters? And what's your... I'm going to start with Dawn. As a 16-year-old, what would you say to all the 16-year-olds watching this? As a 16-year-old playing NRL, what's your motivation for all of them out there?
I think everyone has a different journey. Like, I've always thought about this. Like, I've seen players that haven't made rep teams and they're playing at the highest level now. Your journey doesn't have to look the same as mine. So I think you just got to stay disciplined and stay consistent in whatever you do.
I can honestly say it to you right now. There's a big future. The way you answer this question, you're answering like a 19-year-old, to be honest. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And all glory to God, huh?
Yeah.
And shout out to the mom and dad as well. Lena and Sabani, you have another future superstar right here. What about you, Sinta? What's your motivation for all the upcoming superstars in our, especially the Samoan community out there that are still trying to make it?
Wow. How can I top Dawn's answer? Honestly, I was going to say the same, like, your journey doesn't have to look the same as someone else's, and like, just stay true to yourself and remember who you're playing for. Just be consistent and don't compare yourself to other people. Like, my younger sister's playing NRLW already and I haven't. And I used to compare myself, but then I remember that God has a different journey for all of us, and my time hasn't come yet. So I just trust in God's timing and still just keep working hard. Yeah.
Over to you, Lindsay.
I would say to be patient. Good things take time. So if you're really dedicated towards something and you really want something, it's going to take time and it'll be hard. But trust the process and keep backing yourself. And also what you said, don't lose yourself in the process of trying to get higher in your journey. And yeah.
Are you looking forward to the Blue Army to get together again this year?
Yes.
It's a big year for the Blue Army and everyone involved with the Fitu Samoa and Tour Samoa. Okay, any shout outs from you girls to all the friends and mum and dad and the families in Samoa as well?
Yes. Shout out to mum and dad for helping us get to where we are today, for always supporting us on our journeys no matter where we are. And shout out to our grandma in Samoa.
Yeah. Shout out to our families who always support us in our footy journey and just in life in general. And also mostly supporting Lindsay as well, as she plays NRLW and for Fitu Samoa. They've got her posters and her face everywhere in their house. So, yeah, shout out to them.
Dawn?
They already did everybody.
And our friends as well.
Yes.
Shout out to our friends who come out and support us during our games.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ia ola tato whatatara noanga nā le nei aso ia male the Tui sisters. Ia manuia lo tō aso ono titi nei mai nei sini au se talia tō wha soifua.